On a rainy day, past moments flutter by like scattered photographs. Looking out the window at fallen tears, tucked in and snuggled in on a rainy day. People I know who've come or have gone, those I loved, those I hated, those with comfort or those who grated, appear to me now in the rain, in my moments alone. My moments alone. On a rainy day, voices carry across those hallowed halls, loved ones inside my soul, bright lights and shadows reflected in the rain. Laughter breaks in open peals, heart shatters deep inside, shared burdens of trust. Anger pierces my soul, healing touches of gentle caresses, the casual grace of strangers. Looking out the window at falling tears, tucked in and snuggled in on a rainy day. On a rainy day, I could lose myself into my past. I could surround myself, I could shelter these scenes, these voices, these thoughts, these memories held fast, held fast. On a rainy day, on a rainy day, I could protect myself, bury myself by all I've known, hold the joy tight, old pain sliding off me like dripping tears of water. On a rainy day, I could lose myself under memories held fast, comfortable and safe, free from the unknown. On a rainy day, I could. On a rainy day, but my past is no longer me. I live in the world with rain and with sun. The past cannot be me. On a rainy day, the rain will end and the tears won't fall from the sky. On a rainy day, I look past haze of history and find that I've a job to do. I have a job to do, to live every moment, or on another rainy day, there'll be nothing more to be. On a rainy day, I look past the haze of history and live every moment, waking into the sun.